Now I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite holiday punches. This is called the non-alcoholic spice punch, and it's very quick and easy to make, but so good. You're going to need 4 cups of cranberry juice, honey just for the taste, a few sticks of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and about 3 to 4 cloves. Now I'm going to bring over here my punch bowl to mix all the things in, and you can start your stovetop at about medium. Now I'm going to mix the 2 cinnamon sticks with the 4 cups of cranberry juice. Like I said, just a little hint of nutmeg and a few cloves. Like so, and we're going to get our wooden spoon. Just mix all the ingredients together so we can get acquainted with one another. And we're going to take it over to our stovetop where our saucepan will be ready to go and on medium. Let's go over there. So in the pan, we're going to be heating the 4 cups of cranberry juice with the cloves, the hint of nutmeg, and the cinnamon sticks, and we're going to add some honey. Now we need to make sure that we stir until the honey has completely dissolved, and of course the juice is nice and warm. That should be enough, but if you like more honey, then feel free to add a little more. Now we're going to bring the punch over to our bowl. Make sure you do it very gently so you don't get burned. The non-alcoholic spice punch serves from 6 to 8 people, and typically it would be served in a mug or a teacup, garnished with about 2 little sticks of cinnamon, and that's it. The non-alcoholic spice punch.